What's up, guys? Alright, today we have a really big announcement for you guys. We're giving away these 4 bottle openers. Alright, Railroad Spike custom Jagged Mountain Knives bottle openers. You know, they just put the bottle in there, opens up your bottle. Sweet, really cool. And we're giving all 4 of these away in a drawing. If you want to be entered in this drawing, share this video. You can share it on Facebook, you can share it from YouTube, share it to your friends, you know, and then comment on the video. So you need to comment on this video and share it. And we'll be giving away all 4 of these bottle openers, so hopefully you're the lucky winner. So make sure to share this video, comment, and then like our page or subscribe. Thank you very much. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot. Please leave a comment, tell us what you think of this bottle opener. I think it's really cool. I'll probably start selling some of these on our website. They work great, open the bottles amazingly. And they're pretty solid too. Also make sure you go check out our merch. There's a link right down below.